Types of data analytics. Data analytics is the process of analyzing data to extract insights and information that can be used to make informed decisions. There are different types of data analytics that are used depending on the nature and purpose of the analysis. The major three types of analytics include descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics is the simplest and most common type of data analytics. It involves summarizing and visualizing data to describe what has happened in the past. This type of analytics helps in identifying patterns, trends, and relationships in the data. Descriptive analytics can be used to answer questions like what are the sales trends for our product, or what is the average age of our customers. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to make predictions about future events or trends. This type of analytics is based on statistical and machine learning models that use past data to forecast future outcomes. Predictive analytics can be used to answer questions like what is the likelihood of a customer buying our product, or what will be the sales volume of our product next quarter? Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics involves using data to recommend the best course of action or decision for a given situation. This type of analytics uses mathematical optimization and simulation techniques to identify the best solution to a problem. Prescriptive analytics can be used to answer questions like, what is the optimal pricing strategy for our product? Or what is the best way to allocate our resources? Therefore, descriptive analytics is used to understand what has happened in the past, predictive analytics is used to predict what will happen in the future, and prescriptive analytics is used to recommend the best course of action to take in a given situation. These different types of data analytics can be used individually or in combination to gain deeper insights and drive more informed decision-making. The other types of analytics include diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics involves analyzing data to determine the cause of a problem. It is useful for identifying the reasons behind a specific business outcome, such as why sales have decreased, or why customer satisfaction has dropped. Text analytics. Text analytics involves analyzing unstructured data, such as emails, social media posts, and customer reviews to extract insights and patterns. It is useful for understanding customer sentiment, identifying key themes in customer feedback, and monitoring brand reputation. Behavioral analytics. Behavioral analytics involves analyzing data on user behavior, such as website clicks, social media interactions, and product usage, to understand how customers interact with a product or service. It is useful for improving the user experience and optimizing customer journeys. Each type of analytics has its own unique application and can be used to gain different types of insights from data. Spatial analytics. Spatial analytics involves analyzing geographic data, such as maps and satellite imagery, to gain insights about location-based trends and patterns. It is useful for businesses that operate across multiple locations, such as retailers, logistics companies, and real estate firms. Each type of analytics has its own unique application and can be used to gain different types of insights from data.